Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Today's video is going to be a very chilled, relaxed, get ready with. I'm going to show you guys how I created this moody, dark makeup look. I wasn't planning on filming today, and then I just had this sudden jerk of creativity, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna pick up the camera and just see what happens. And I really liked how this turned out. So I don't normally do a lot of dark looks on my channel. I really like that light, bright, girly, but today I'm just feeling a certain type of way, and you guys probably can relate. I wanted to go for this look, and I will show you guys very easily in just a few steps how I created this. Again, no matter what sort of makeup look I do, I always start with flawless foundation, a flawless base, because that's what's going to just carry you through to the end of the makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see how it's done, just keep watching. So to start, skin first, and I've been loving the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream with vitamin C and collagen boosting ingredients. This is really great to put on the high points of the face to really give it a highlight, and it also just makes your skin look really good. So I start with this first, and then we go into foundation. So Maybelline came out with this Dream Urban cover. I'm in Natural Beige number 220, and this is seriously one of my most recent favorite foundations. It also has SPF in it, which is awesome. It's skincare infused makeup, and when I apply this, I just put it on a brush and just apply it all over the face. And it actually has great coverage. You'll see in this video how much it covers with the amount that I put on. Very little, and it's just giving my skin that flawless look. When I talk about foundation, it's all about less is more. I'm not about to cake on makeup, and you guys know that about me. It's like having your natural skin come through. So if someone looks at you and goes, wow, I really can't tell if she's wearing makeup or not, that's the look I'm going for. And if you like that look, then this is the video for you. I'm also using the Morphe brush. If you guys are wondering what brush I'm using, this thing is amazing to put on foundation. I've been using it consistently. Following that, I'll be using the Eyes to Mesmerize by Charlotte Tilbury. This is a cream eyeshadow in the color Rose Gold. And what I love about this is that you don't need a brush to apply this with. I just use the warmth of my ring finger and apply it all over the lid. I love this color because it matches my skin tone perfectly, and you can literally put this on without even having a mirror. You can just apply a thin layer all over the lid, and it looks like you have these like beautiful natural colored eyelids, and I'm all about that. To line the eyes, I'll be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Liquid Eyeliner. This has a very pointy edge, which is going to be perfect for my winged eyeliner look. My tip is to start in the inner corners and then slowly work my way out. Liner, especially liquid liner, can be hard, and doing a wing can even be harder, but don't worry, practice makes perfect. So if you do mess up, don't worry about it. Wipe it off with a Q-tip, let it dry first, and then redo it. A tip I've been loving is to filling that gap is to use a liquid eyeliner in the inner waterline. I know this is a little tricky, and sometimes people will be like, oh my god, that's too close to the eyeball, but I am very precise and I don't ever touch my eyeball with this. So it's really just the outer part of where the lashes start to grow out underneath, and I find this super easy to do, and it just makes the winged eyeliner look more complete. An additional tip when you're working on your other side, so let's say the second eye that you're going to be doing your wing liner on, make sure you kind of take a look in the mirror just to see and gauge where the liner is going to be or the wing is going to be, so that you look even. On to contouring. One of my recent favorites is the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. What I do with this is I use a Morphe brush, and I just lightly just tap it on the top of the stick, and then apply this color to the cheekbone area to really carve out and give the face more depth and more structure. So I like to go near the cheekbones, I like to go on the forehead because that's really important as well, and making sure you go into the hairline because you don't want it to stop just right before the hairline so it doesn't look natural. and just a tad bit along the sides of the nose to give it a bit more shape, and just filling out the rest where I need it, and then buffing it out if it's a bit too dark or adding more if it's a bit too light. Next up, I'll be using the BH Cosmetics Grease Blush Palette. I love this because these colors are super cute. I'm just gonna mix these two and apply to the apples of the cheeks to give myself a very natural, healthy looking, rosy glow. I wouldn't say drown yourself in blush, but I personally love blush because it just gives my face a little bit of extra life. Now I'm going to curl the lashes with my trusty Chiu Uemura eyelash curler. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you'll know that I have not strayed far from this eyelash curler because it's truly, in my opinion, one of the best eyelash curlers out in the market. I have been using this guy for years and I still love it. To finish off the eyes, I'll be using the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. This tube, you guys, is on another level. It almost looks like it has diamonds on it. But what I love about this mascara is that it really coats each and every eyelash and it gives it this crazy lift, which is really hard for short and straight lashes like the ones I do have here. So with me, I like to apply thin coats first, and then I'll go back if I need some more and apply more on top. And to finish off this look, I'm going to be using the NARS Dance Fever Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. This color is not something I would typically wear because it is a bit darker than usual, but once I put it on my lips and it's a buildable color, I really liked it. And it's also this velvety, smooth, matte consistency, so there is no dryness and it just lasts all day long. This color is literally perfect for my mood today, and I felt a little, more relaxed, chilled, and maybe just a bit dark today, I want to say. So this color really resonated with me and I loved how it turned out. This look is now done. This is me with my hair down. I usually like to put my hair up because putting makeup on with your hair down is really hard. And here's the final look. So guys, this is my dark / moody makeup look for the day. I was feeling a little, chilled out and just kind of relaxed today, so I thought maybe I'd do this look. Sometimes, how I feel inside comes through in my makeup, which is really funny because if I'm really excited, really happy for the day, it'll be like bright and pink, but sometimes when I'm feeling a little, today's an okay day, I'll do a makeup look that kind of represents how I'm feeling. I don't know if you guys do that, but I definitely am one of those people. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't want to see more makeup tutorials, very easy, get ready with, just let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I love you guys. Be kind to one another. Have a lovely day. And even if you're not having a great day, just know that there's a new day coming tomorrow. I love you and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye for now.